Hello, my name is Connor from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'll be showing you around this used Audi A3 Sportback S-Line. This A3 is powered by a 2-litre TDI 150 PS engine with manual transmission and Quattro all-wheel drive. It's finished in this Mythos black paintwork. To the side of the vehicle we find the 18-inch alloy wheels, and to the front the LED headlights that provide outstanding visibility. Coming into the boot we find the A3 offers generous space for everyday use, alongside folding rear seats and a privacy screen. Into your rear seating, and you find the interior to be fitted with a stylish cloth and leather trim seating with feature ISOFIX mounting points. To the front you find your vent controls. Moving into the cabin, and you find your front sport seat with manual adjustment, alongside other features such as cup holders and storage and USB ports inside the armrest. The steering wheel features controls for your cockpit display and controls for your multimedia interface. Beneath the steering wheel you find your cruise control. Moving on to the multimedia interface, you can tune to FM and DAB channels through the radio feature. There are also other ways to listen to media, such as Bluetooth connectivity. You can connect your mobile device for hands-free use whilst on the road. Audi smartphone interface is available, furthering device connectivity. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and plan your journey ahead. You can customise your speakers' equaliser settings. You can also access various vehicle settings. Beneath the display you find your car's climate control system with heated front seat functionality. Audi Drive Select is available, there are a range of drive modes for you to choose from. And this A3 comes equipped with front rear parking sensors, assisting with manoeuvring through audio and visual indications. I hope you enjoyed this presentation on the used Audi A3 Sportback S-Line that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below. Or if you'd like to join the test drive, please get in touch with our friendly sales team today. Thank you very much for watching, look forward to helping you find your next vehicle.